My name is Vivek Bedi. Before CPA is the latest qualification which I have gathered. But before that, I am a chartered accountant as well as a LLB graduate from Delhi University, and I did my graduation as well from Delhi University only. And currently, I am working with Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited (IFFCO), which is the one of the world's largest cooperative. I first saw the videos. First is always Varun sir's videos. There's no substitute to Varun sir's video. You have to watch Varun sir's videos. Then you have to go about the book. I will always study the book. But I still remember there was no video. I have to see it again. One video after sir has done. One time I have watched. Then I will do the MCQs. Just focus on what I have done. So videos, I trusted the videos. The MCQs part, the concept which I have learned in any live classes or mentoring sessions, I trusted that and I went for the paper. 5:45 in the morning, I was calling them. So I was that happy after calling my parents. First, I informed my wife, and then my parents, and then I called these three, and like was very happy. And I am now sure that this qualification which I have had, I would do some justice to it. CPA matlab miles.